beautiful, I will be sharing with you how I do a jumbo box spray without extension. Guys, this is actually the routine that I am never going to let go of, because this method of starting my natural hair, it keep it fresh, it keep it more manageable, especially since I am a lazy natural. Yes, I said it. For those of you who don't know how to do box spray, any kind of box spray, and you have 4C hair, this is the time for you to learn how to do your box spray yourself. So now let's dive right into the video. This is the first product I am going to be using. It's fresh aloe vera hairspray mixed with water. I'm going to be using this on my hair to make it more softer while I am parting the roll. Then the next product I'm going to be using is my herbs butter. I said I was going to do a video on this channel making our herbs butter, but for some crazy reason I've been really busy, so I still haven't posted that video yet. Pretty soon that video will be up. And this is how my herbs butter look like. You see, it's almost gone. I have like whole clove in there just to keep it preserved. This is what I'm going to be applying on my hair after spraying the hairspray that I just showed to you. Yes, this is where the magic is, guys. All right, beauty, so I'm going to start off by spraying a little bit of this DIY product on my hair. Then the next thing is parting. Since my hair is super thick, I like to go in with my fingers before using a comb. I already did use my finger and split my hair into 2 parts, but since my hair is super thick, you're not seeing that parting. So now I am just going in with the comb. Throughout the video, you're going to see me using my fingers, parting the hair. Then I go in with the comb for the second time, guys. Then I'm going to use 2 different gentle hair tie. I will place that gentle hair tie on one section of hair. Then I place the other gentle hair tie on the other section of hair. So now I end up with 2 space buns. Now I'm going to use the comb. Make sure that gentle hair tie, when you place it on each section of hair, don't tie it like 2 times. That's why whenever you decide to do this method, make sure you get a gentle hair tie that is brand new, or a gentle hair tie that you use once or twice, because we don't want the gentle hair tie on that section of hair to be too tight or too weak. You want, whenever you parting the roll with that comb, you're going to be able to get some of that hair out of that gentle hair tie easily, so that your hair cannot break or be damaged. Alright, beauties, so in one of my previous videos, I did talk about no heat. But there are ways you can use heat without so much worries. As for me, I usually like to use heat like once a year and sometimes twice a year. So this time, about a week ago, I decided to blow out my hair, guys. That's why my hair is looking a whole lot shinier in this video. After I was done spraying that DIY aloe vera mixed with water on my hair, then I'm going to go in with my herbs butter. I'm going to massage that product into my hair gently. After I am done doing that, then I'm going to use my brush. This is a wet brush. I'm going to brush my ends, then I work my way to the middle before going to my roots. Finish brushing that section of hair. Now it's time for the jumbo box spray without extension, guys. So this is the part where you need to take note, especially if you want to learn how to box spray. So now, since I am done prepping and brushing this particular section of hair, I am going to split it into 3 equal parts. I will hold 2 sections of hair and begin to braid by crossing the out section of hair over the medium one, just like a regular 3-strand braid. Again, I will hold the 2 out section of hair and begin by crossing the out section of hair over the medium one, and I am going to continue with this process until I reach to the very end. Then I'm going to 2-strand twist. Then I will go to the next hair and continue this process. So basically, I often do a box braid without using comb. Occasionally, I do use comb and hair gel to make my party look more neat whenever I want to wear that box braid hairstyle out. Yes, guys. And whenever I do a 2-strand twist out, 3-strand twist out, wash and go, afro puff, usually I will like do a loose box braid before going to bed. Yes, because it keep my hair stretched and it also make it more manageable the next day. Plus, guys, I love to shampoo my natural hair in a jumbo box braid because it cut down my wash day in half. So this particular jumbo box braid I'm doing here, you can wear the particular hairstyle for a day or two. Ain't something that's gonna last for over a week or a month. When you want it to last a longer period of time, I would recommend you use gel or molding gel to keep that hair stay in place. It stops it from breaking. It stops it from being tangled. Yes, if you have 4C hair, when your hair is tangling all the time, guys, as I was saying, learn how to box spray. It will save your hair. It has done it for me, and it also will do it for you. There are ways you can do a jumbo box spray or a medium-sized box spray or a small size box spray without spending 7, 8, 10 hours on your hair, guys. Recently, I came across this 3-ways mirror. And this particular mirror is the bomb. I really like it. The 3-ways mirror, it makes it a whole lot easier so that you can see in the back of your hair whenever you parting that roll. I'm going to show you a little highlight of that 3-way mirror. I'm not going to talk about it too much in this video, but it's really helpful for those of you who like braiding your hair. Yes, if you are lazy natural, I will highly recommend you invest into that 3-ways mirror, guys. And I will see you in my next one.